Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighbourhood hairdresser. Today's video is sponsored by Lordhair.com and we are going to go around and ask people if my hair system is real, if they think it's real, what they think of my hair in general, and some people are going to rate it out of 10. You know what? Let's go. We're going to walk around the Distillery District in downtown Toronto. Okay, so I'm here in the Distillery District and can I ask what your name is?
Christina.
Okay, Christina, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
What do you think of my hair?
I like the cut.
Yes.
I think the platinum is a bit sort of 80s boy band.
That's the look I was going for. I'm joking. So what would you do if I told you that this hair wasn't growing out of my head?
Oh, okay. So you got a little piece on there?
This is actually a hair system.
Oh.
This is a Lordhair system that I'm using, so it is actually not, well, it is 100% human hair, but it is not my own.
Oh.
So now knowing what this looks like, would you ever date anyone with a hair system?
Sure.
You would?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I love to hear. And would you think differently of anybody if you knew they were wearing a hair system?
No. Do
No?
what makes you feel good.
Hello.
On Mary Berg.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God, perfect. It's only
It's on Mary Berg all the time.
Do you love the show?
I do.
You do?
I do. I do
do?
love the show.
Okay, so I have a question for you. What do you think of my hair?
I like it.
You?
I love it.
You love my hair?
Yeah.
What would you do if I told you that this isn't actually growing out of my head?
I would not know.
You wouldn't know?
No, I would not.
Because this is indeed a hair system. So this isn't my hair.
Okay.
This is glued down.
Wow.
And it's very, very natural.
Every time you're on the show, it's not your hair.
This is never my hair.
Oh my God.
Yes. Now I have a question for you, right, ladies?
Okay.
Would you think any differently if you seen someone with a hair system or knowing that they're wearing one?
No,
No?
doesn't bother me. No.
And what about, would you date someone who was wearing a hair system?
Yeah.
You would?
Married. I've
you're
been married for 40 years. So if my husband sees this,
So what you're trying to say is, if your husband has a hair system, you'll stay with him.
I think he would love to have it
He would?
because he's losing his hair.
Well, you know what? Maybe a makeover one time in the show. Who knows? I'll get him on one day. What do you think of my hair?
I love it. It's great. Love the gray tones.
Okay, and what about you?
Looks great, yes. Frosted tips, is that what that is?
Yes, it is.
Excellent.
It is indeed. Now, what if I told you that this hair wasn't actually growing out of my head?
I would be shocked.
Stunned.
Stunned? So this isn't my real hair. This is a hair system. This is a Lordhair system that's literally glued down. And yeah, it's very natural, very cool. And
This was targeted at me.
this was, I was like, there's a guy. Let's ask him. He might want one. So, question for you.
Clear.
Would you date someone if they were wearing a hair system?
Of course.
So, no issues with that at all.
No judgment.
Who are we going to get now? We have to find people here.
What's your name?
My name's Aaron.
Aaron.
Yes.
Are you on TV?
Yes.
She knows you.
Oh, you do? So you watch Mary Berger, Marilyn Dennis?
I like that.
Yes.
I like
Okay, so I'm the hair guy. Oh, I'm supposed to be talking to some mic here. You think I was a professional. Okay, so question for you. What do you think of my hair?
I love your hair.
You love my hair?
I do, yeah.
What do you like most about it?
I like the color.
The color.
You like the color?
Yeah.
Okay, what if you found out that this wasn't actually growing out of my head?
You have a toupee?
A toupee? A toupee? A toupee. It's actually a hair system.
A toupee.
It's not real. Yes, it's not real. So this is, feel it. You can have a little feel.
Oh, wow.
So this is like,
Can I
it's glued on, yeah.
Oh.
It's all glued on, and yeah, this is something that I've been wearing.
It's really thin on top.
Well, these are Lordhair systems and they're absolutely amazing. So yeah, I've been wearing these for years now and we're trying to spread the word and see if people notice. Now, question for you. If you were to date someone, would you date them knowing they were wearing a hair system?
If it looked like yours, yes.
So you're saying you'd date me?
Well, if you asked me.
Yous are so lovely.
Let's start at the beginning here, right?
Yous are
I
fabulous.
think you would want to date an old Lady like me.
No one's ever. No, you're not old. You're gorgeous, my darling. Gorgeous.
And
Gorgeous.
Take a picture of us?
Of course we can. Yeah, we definitely can. Oh, thank you. Have a good one. It was lovely meeting you. Bye. Oh, they were like absolutely the cutest people in the whole entire world. And you know what? They were completely shocked that this wasn't real hair. Most people never know when they're watching me on TV that I'm actually wearing a hair system. So when people meet me on the street and I tell them, they're very shocked. Lordhair, you do good hair. Okay, so we have these two wonderful ladies here with us, and I have a question for you. What do you think of my hair?
It's very fashionable.
Very fashionable. Thank you very much. And what about you?
I know, I like it. I like your hair.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. But what if I was to tell you that my hair wasn't real?
Oh, then I'm going to be disappointed.
Disappointed?
Yes.
Do you feel it looks very real though?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so this isn't actually my hair. This is a new thing called a hair system. It used to be called a toupee, but this is actually glued down.
Oh.
So this isn't my real hair.
I've seen that on YouTube or whatever. My granddaughter watches.
Oh yeah, so you've seen it before. Yeah, they're great.
That idea where they glue it all down and instead of
And you
putting
never
it
take
on.
it off?
Yes, you can take it off. I take mine off every 3 weeks, but I can swim, do absolutely everything, shower, whatever anyone does in their daily life, I can do the very same as anybody else.
Are you bald?
So I shave my hair down? Yes, I pretty much am. So this was created for people who are losing their hair, and a great alternative that would look really realistic.
Right.
You look shocked.
No, it's good. I'm thinking of my brother. Yeah.
There you go. Someone might benefit from this. So if you were asked to date someone that had a hair system and you knew about it, how would you feel about that?
No problem.
That's fine.
See, this is why I love the Canadian people. They're so kind and they support the hair system community. Okay, we are here with this very beautiful person, and I have a question to ask you. What do you think of my hair?
Oh, I'm glad you asked me this because when you walk by, I'm like, I love your hair. I really, really, really do. I really, really do. I'm glad that you came and asked me this question.
That is so kind.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Okay, so what if I was to tell you that this isn't actually growing out of my head?
No, shut up. Shut up.
Yes, this is a hair system. This is not my real hair. This is glued down. This is a Lordhair hair system. And basically, yeah, you can have a little feel. It feels real. It's 100% real.
No way.
Yes. Would you date someone now knowing if someone was wearing a hair system?
I mean, after I find out, what am I going to do? I already thought it was real anyways, so yeah.
That's why you're a very good person. Thank you for supporting the hair system community.
course.
And thanks for answering my questions. Well, wasn't she the absolutely nicest person? She gave my hair a 10 out of 10, which is, you know what? It makes me feel super confident. Like, I know this looks good. I trust in Lordhair and the natural look of this hair system. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. Question for you is, what do you think of my hair?
It's great. Yeah, it looks great.
What would you give it out of 10?
8 out of 10.
Thank you so much. An 8 is a win for me.
Good, yeah.
What if I told you that my hair wasn't growing out of my head?
Oh, looks great.
So this is actually a hair system.
Oh.
So it's not real. It's glued down.
Okay.
But I can literally do what every other person does. I can swim with it, shower with it, all of those good things.
Great.
Would you date someone that was wearing a hair system?
Sure. Yeah, why not?
You would?
Of course, yeah.
See? More kind people here. Oh my God, everyone is so nice. So kind. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. This is a great day down here in the Distillery District. Don't forget to comment below, or if you have any questions about a Lordhair system, I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.